Come on, man, what the heck? It's supposed to be ready at 2. All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about the service writers going, why isn't it done yet? All right, so I'm sure most technicians have been there, done that. You know, you're sitting there working and the service writer comes up to you and, you know, why isn't this car done? I promised it at 2 o'clock. Why? Dude, lady's on the phone. Why isn't this ready yet? Come on, man. Parts didn't get here till 20 minutes ago and it's a 5-hour job. I've gotten asked on this, so I'm gonna figure I'd do a video on it, on how you deal with it. One of the worst things you can do is cuss them out. Keep in mind, if the service writer is coming up to you, getting off of his butt to come talk to you to find out about that car, he's got that customer on hold. He's getting chewed out by that customer, or, you know, promised something that you couldn't deliver, and now he's having to deal with it. So how do you deal with it? Again, don't cuss him out. I'll stick in the back. I don't want to deal with customers. But when it comes to dealing with that, straight up be honest. Well, it's taking longer than I expected. You know, it's kicking my butt. Kind of be a little jabby at them. Well, you know, you pulled me off 4 times for weight or oil changes. Explain to them. Well, you know, it's a 5-hour job and the parts just got here like 10 minutes ago. But that's the best thing you could do. When a service writer is bugging you, remember that he's got the customer in his ear. You know, around here, our service writers have wireless headsets because we don't have ringers in the shop, and if they have to answer the phone, they have to do it in their ear. And they might be on the phone with the customer on hold, talking to you, finding out the progress of it. When it comes down to it, be honest. You know, XYZ, I'm getting it done as fast as I can. You know, it'll be done probably sometime around this. You know, don't give them a firm, it's going to be done at 2:23. Give them, well, it's going to be done by the end of the day. Or it's probably going into tomorrow. You know, if at that point they go ballistic, well, walk away. Because, I mean, they're just nothing, they're walk away. Go back to work. Now, important, I don't care how much they bug you, how much it's got to go, do not rush. I know a lot of y'all are on hourly or salary or, like me, flat rate. Do not rush faster than you're comfortable with. I will guarantee you, you rush, it will come back. It will. So I don't care how much they're bugging you. You just gotta go at your pace and get it done in a manner that you think will work. Do not rush. We have 2 really great service writers here, and they do a really good job of handling the customers. And, you know, if something happens where it's got to go into the next day, we'll take care of their Uber, or if need be, rent them a car, etc. You know, we'll take care of them. And, you know, the boss is cool with that. Keep the customers happy. And, you know, there's no problems. You know, yes, sometimes, you know, we need to get this, you know, the customer really wants to get this back today. You know, and we always do our best to get it out that day, but we got to remember the car has to be fixed right. So again, do not rush. So always car first, customer, if they have to wait, they just have to wait. I'm not being ugly, that's the fact. We need to fix the car right. We rush, stuff goes wrong. And I've gotten in that discussion with service writers, owners. When things are rushed, that is absolutely when things go horribly, horribly wrong. Work at your pace. Don't let that service writer ride you. You know, be firm. I'm going as fast as I can. I can't turn this out any faster. It's going to be this. You know, and if I have any more problems, it's going to be this. And you keep bugging me, it's going to be this. In a sarcastic but humorous way. They do have a tough job. As much as we complain about them, they do have a very tough job. They have to juggle all those customers and keep them happy. So, hope you like this video. I'm sure I'll get some thumbs up from service writers. Comments, always appreciated. Let me know in the comments how you deal with service writers. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. What the hell, man? What have you been doing all day? Come on, dude. Parts just got here like 10 minutes ago.